Hello everyone, I hope that you're all doing well. I just wanted to make this weekly video with all the updates in these last few weeks of class. So yesterday you should have turned in your oral presentation 2 through VoiceThread. You guys can expect to get a grade on those sometime this week. Make sure that by this Sunday you complete the peer feedback. It's going to be due on Sunday by midnight, as well as the rough draft composition 2 through quizzes, and you guys will have access to the topic when you open the quiz. Okay, then after that, within a week, you guys will get the corrections from me, the feedback. Then you'll turn in the final draft by the 22nd. So those are the things that we have coming up. And as always, the VHL activities that are going to be due on Sundays, you should be completing those with your new partner. And then in May is when we will start doing our final exams. Let's just make sure that you guys all know what to do with the peer review feedback for the presentations. Okay, so you are going to provide feedback on your partner's presentation and another person's presentation. So you should be doing you should be responding to 2 classmates' feedback. And here it has it, respond to 2 classmates' videos. If your partner did not turn in a presentation, just comment on any 2 classmates' videos, okay? So you watch the presentation, reply with 3 things you learned from the presentation and 1 thing on which they can improve. Okay, you will not receive full credit if you don't address all of these things orally and in Spanish. So there's no written feedback that is accepted. You can either do the, I think it's audio or the webcam. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the presentations and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to choose this presentation to begin watching. Okay, and it gives me the options to make a comment here. Okay. So when I go, okay, I'm not sure why it wasn't working on the previous video, but here is the example on a different video where you can either speak your comments or you can record a video of yourself. These are the only 2 options in which you can receive full credit. Remember, there's no written feedback that is acceptable. Okay, so that's what we have going on. Here is the VHL activities. We will have them for the next at least 4 weeks. Let me see if I don't think that we have any due after that. No, we just have them for the rest of April. Okay, so this week, this is what you guys will be completing. Make sure we do have a lot going on this week with the rough draft of the composition, the peer feedback, and the VHL partner dialogue activities. So make sure you guys are giving yourselves enough time this week to complete all of those assignments. And if you have any questions, please send me an email and let me know. Thank you.